In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a typing effect in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free and start designing right away. Once you are on the Canva home page, click Create a Design and choose the presentation or video format. This will open a widescreen canvas that works well for animations. After the canvas opens, go to the text section and add a heading or text box to your slide. Type the words you want to appear with the typing effect. Next, click on the text so it is selected. At the top of the editor, click the Animate option. In the animation panel, scroll through the text animations and select the typewriter or typing animation. This effect will make the text appear letter by letter as if it is being typed. You can preview the animation to see how the typing effect looks. If needed, adjust the animation speed or style so it fits your design. You can also add background colors, shapes, or icons from the Elements section to make the animation more visually appealing. When your typing animation looks good, click Share and then Download. Choose MP, 4, video or GIF depending on how you want to use the animated text.